Hello student, how are you all? Fine? In our last class, we have seen how Scratch works and the different components of the Scratch. Today we will learn how we can create a racing game using the Scratch. We know Scratch is a programming language. What kind of programming language it is? It is a code-based programming language where we have a different codes and use different blocks of codes. Using those, just dragging in a script area, we can write here script. And what is script? Script is nothing but the programming which we are writing using blocks. Today we will be creating game, a car racing game. We will use different blocks over there, and while we were performing this, we will be knowing the functions of each block as well. Follow the step and try to create the game. To create a game, we need to create the track first. How we will create the track? To create the track, we have to change our background. For changing the background, a backdrop, we'll click on the backdrop and then we will go on paint. So I don't need this one, I need this one only. And I need a green color. So choosing the green color, brightness, saturation and brightness, let it be 100. And color ranges, this color is 531. Now draw this one. After this, to draw the track, this is the ground I have done, and to draw the track we will use some trick. We will be using with the eraser. This eraser. Now let me draw it. You can draw the track in any shape, or what you can draw nicely with a rectangular shapes or any other shapes. Any other tricks also you can use it. For me, I feel it this one the easiest one, so I have followed. So if you want, you can do anything else as well. It's not necessary that track should have a perfect square, perfect rectangle. Track can be anything. So this is the racing track. For me, a track should have starting point and ending point. So we will now draw the starting point. Starting point, we will take the size in it. We'll take the line little bit thick. So tail I will take, and the line color I'll take as a red color. So this will be no for starting. We will not take red color. We'll take black color. So we'll start from here. Now we can write the point here. Start. Start. Now we can move it like this. After that, we have to draw the finishing point as well. So for finishing point, we will take red color, as well as we will change the length and color also. We will check up red color. Okay, so we'll finish it here. In finishing line also we have to write the finish. Okay. Done. Now what you can do, this is our track is ready for race. Once the track is ready, come back to code, and then I need car or I need sprites who are participating in this race. But I don't need this cat. So what I can do, I can delete it. Now I'll go for the new sprite. You click on choose a sprite, and then you can here type card. These are already loaded in the sprite library. But look at this card. This card is very big. I don't need it this much big in the size. So what I will do, I will create here, I will make it little bit small. The size will be 40, and you want to keep it here, so keep it there because this is the starting point. Starting point, our point is x is minus 107, y is in minus 146, and this done. Now I need one more sprite. So what we have to do, we have to choose one more car. The size is also very big, so make this one as a 40. Fine. So we can keep and we can start. We need something to show, like when these cars will touch on this green colors, anywhere of these green colors, your that color will be out from the race. So to show this one, we will change the car's costume as if there is a crash on that and it has stopped. For that, I need to change the costumes of these two cards because it can happen for both the cards. So what I will do, I go click on the costume over there. I need one more costume, so I'll click on duplicate. And here what I will do, I'll just put this. You can do it any other way as well. For me, I feel this is the way easily we can do it, and we can show as if car has smashed. So once it will touch on the green color, this car will stop for the race. And now this one, it is showing in the screen this one because we are choosing this, but I can do this one now. For the green color car, I have to do the same thing. What I'll do, no, not for this. Don't do this mistake because this is changing this one. So what I have to do, I have to right click and click on the duplicate. On the duplicate one, I will make it. It is showing that as if your car is crashed. So I don't need this one, I need this one right now. So my costumes are done, cars are ready, and the places are done. Now it's time that we write code. While you are writing code, you need to remember that for both the cars or both the sprites, I need to write the code separate. So let's start with the first one, the purple one. Purple one, first what we'll do, as soon as we will click on the green flag, wherever your car is, the car will be in this position. So for that, what I need an event block. When click this one, when click this green flag, what will happen? It will set motion, right? It will set axis, same axis, wherever your car may be. Previous race, your car has stopped here. So what I have to do, I have to fix it here. Done. After that, what will happen now? This one, and remember the directions also. Direction also need to be the same direction. Now this is the starting direction, so we can change or the point in direction 90. This is done. Now the car will move continuously. It will move. So from that control block, we will get a forever. Forever, the car will move How long this car will move? This will move forever. So I'm for moving I need to write 10 steps. No, it's not 10 steps. I need only 1 steps because slowly, otherwise we will not be able to change the direction. So this car will move until and unless in this moving until and unless it reach on the red point. That means if it touch on the red skirt, the red point, that is the finishing line, what will happen? It will be declared as winner. How we will do that? If is in control block, if it touches, it is going forever. How long? Until and it touches the red color. So if it touches the red color is in sensing block. So touches color is in red color. Now this is very difficult to find the perfect color. So what we'll do, we go here and choose this red color. I don't think we have chosen proper, so again I have to choose it. I will go from this side. Look at this box. Yes, now I got the red color. So if red color touches, what will happen? It will declare as the winner. Declare as the winner. Declare means looks block. It will say. What will say? It will say you are the winner. You are the winner. So once it is saying that you are another winner, it will wait for 2 minutes and then wait for 1 second. That means game is over. And again 2 seconds and all the games will over because this is the first one which has win. So it will stop. Stop is also in the control block, I guess. Yes, stop all. Done. Now, while doing this, I need to turn somehow. So, if it actually, I have to give a control key. If I press right keys, what will happen? Right keys and all are in a event blocks. When right arrow pressed, what will happen? Because it's going straight. Now I have to press the right arrow so that it turns. It turns in this side and left arrow in this side. So whatever you want, you can give it this motion block. It turns on this side. Done. And if it is, we can take the duplicate one because for the down arrow also we need to do. If it is a down left arrow, what will happen? This turn will not be there, so we can delete this one and we need opposite turn, so we will use this turn. We can check little bit, isn't it? I have done for this. See, this is turning. Now stop it. Bring your cursor here itself. So this is done for the first one. Now in between, if it is touches on the green color, what will happen? If it is touches on the green color, it will stop. That particular car will stop. Okay, so I have to do that again. I will go to control block. If again it is if it is for the forever block. Okay, so I have to go in place of forever block. The same line I need. It is in forever block. If it is in Okay, then what will happen if it touches? Since in block touching color is green, this green I have to choose. Yes, any color from this green is fine because the same color I have used throughout. So if this one happen, what will happen? You can take this any color. Okay, if this colors happen, done, then what will happen? It will stop. Before stop, it will show that another costume which you have done. So it will change the costume. Switch on costume. Which costume? Costume 2. Fine. Okay. Now again it will wait for a few seconds. Wait for 1 second or 2 seconds you can give. Wait for 2 seconds and it will come back to the starting point. So wait for 2 seconds and the script will stop, isn't it? So what we have to do in the control block, will not use stop on because it will only uh, stop the scripts only. Now look at this, this has changed. That means whenever it will start in the point, the costume should be the original one. So here we need to add one more block. Which one is say looks block. In looks block we have to switch costume to comfortable. Right, so when you click this one, it will always change the costume. Fine. So this all we have done for one. What we have to do for the green card also, we need to do the same thing. Let's do it. Again I write. No, I will not write it. I'll just select this block and then I will copy with Control C. Press the Control and C together and over here click on this green card and press the Control V. Done. Now this is the position for the purple card, but for the green card my position is different, so I will change the position. Which positions I will do? Minus 82 and minus 102. You can see the position from here, x-axis and y-axis, and direction is 90 degree for all. So when you click this one, both the card will be, it will go on. This card has stopped. This has stopped, but I have not changed the costume. What I will do, I'll do the costume 3 and here costume will be. Now check if this. It stopped, but green card I have not stopped it. Stop, both the stop, both stops. And I need the control for green card also. I'll go back and copy this one. Copy, Control C and come to this block and Control V. Same way again the down one. Control C, green block, Control V. Now this won't be the same keys because then both the player cannot play. So what we will do, we'll change the key A, for it is A and B. We'll do the B card. Now we have a control with this and go the, let's start and check it how it is going on. You have a control, you can use with the control. Yes. Green card. I have not used A and B key. So what happened? This is going on. The control is very important here. Now See, for more perfection, you can use, see, this is the purple card is winner. Now again, one more time, and here it's already stopped it. Now one more time if I want, and let me start. And this time I will play with the A and B key because I have to use B. No, both the card has, and both the card has the accident, and so it won't move it. This is the way we can play the game.